An old man got his car broke down and no one was around. But someone was watching, a dog with a heart full of loyalty. When the old man whispered, "Go find my daughter," the dog ran through wind and road, following nothing but love. The dog used its senses to find the old man's daughter. Against all odds, the dog found her and take her with her dad, who needed the help. The daughter was able to help her dad. Sometimes heroes don't wear capes, they wear fur. The dog brought the family back together. Subscribe if the story touched you.